Running a Magento store involves server configurations, security, and scaling. Often, this can shift your focus away from what matters most, growing your e-commerce business. It's time to explore the efficient solution of Managed Magento Hosting. Managed Magento Hosting is designed to handle all technical aspects of running a Magento store. They provide three main services: in-depth knowledge of Magento applications, server configurations, and cloud infrastructure. Let's look at the 6 advantages of this service, starting with cost efficiency. Managed Magento Hosting can significantly reduce indirect costs related to technical staff and server maintenance. Secondly, they focus on enhancing security, featuring frequent updates, customized firewall configurations, and meticulous virus scanning. Thirdly, managed hosting providers offer application-level assistance dealing with server misconfigurations, integration problems, and caching settings. Fourth, scalability is another key advantage. Managing Magento hosting can ensure smooth transitions to new servers as your business grows. Fifth, performance optimization ensures your website delivers a fast and reliable shopping experience. Lastly, it streamlines your online store operations by entrusting operational and maintenance tasks to experts. But why should you choose Managed Magento Hosting? First, it offers auto-scaling that accommodates increased traffic and demands as your business expands. Next, they handle PCI compliance for payment security, which is paramount for e-commerce businesses. They also provide developer-friendly environments, reducing the need to deal with server-related issues. Furthermore, they offer dedicated 24/7 customer support, promptly addressing all your concerns and issues. Notably, they enhance your website's speed, distributing network traffic evenly, implementing CDNs, and employing effective caching strategies. Cloud hosting providers use cutting-edge technologies like AWS and Google Cloud to enhance your online store's performance. Additionally, they ensure streamlined migration processes if you're considering switching to better hosting platforms. Lastly, it's important to consider a few things before choosing a provider, such as a server location and its impact on speed, server uptime, and the provider's expertise in handling cloud hosting. They should deliver different levels of services tailored to your e-commerce needs. The provider should allow comparisons and customization in their hosting plans so you can choose what's best for your business needs. So there you have it. Optimizing your e-commerce performance has never been easier with Managed Magento Hosting. If you found value in this video guide, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights.